Hey guys, daily recap for August 26, 2022. Let's take a look at what we did today. And it was Lotto Friday today. If you guys follow me on Twitter, I do post all the trades there, so you can see all the trades that worked, all the ones that failed, etc. Just a quick note, the holdings of NVIDIA, AMD, Roblox, and SPX also failed. So there was a bunch that failed today, but obviously you can see there's a ton that worked. And the ones that did worked extremely well. Came into the day with a bunch of Chinese names. FUTU 43 calls, 48 calls, 55 calls for next week. All worked out really well. FUTU obviously 43 calls went up 2,600%. BABA came with 100 calls, 105s and 110s. All worked out well as well. 1,900% on the 100s. The 105s 495%, and the 110s were about 90% on those. We had some YY as well. The 33 calls for 500%. And then we did a whole bunch of different stuff intraday. SPX, 410 or 4,100 puts, I should say, 1,225%. Snow, 205 calls, 307% this morning. That's some great relative strength. SPX 4070 puts, 267%. We did some SPX 4060s and 4050s at the end of the day for 300% on the 4060s. The 4050s, we got 100% on those. Decent trade. FUTU 55 calls, like I said, next week 191%. Tiger, we also had that into today for September, 100%. A bunch of other things we did. SPY 413 puts, 150%. Meta 175 calls this morning, 64%. CRM 180 calls, 10%. Bed Bath & Beyond, so on and so forth. You can kind of see here 93 puts on AMD, 100%. And then, a couple failed ones as well at the bottom here. So all in all, really good day of trading on the option side. Super happy with the amount of range we got. Market's going to be a little extended going into next week. We'll see exactly where we can get to. But we broke the obviously EMA support. We broke the range support on the weekly. We broke the 50 EMA on the daily. And now we got some room to the downside. Do we get to the inverted head and shoulders on the downside? We'll see. I'm thinking it's a possibility. But we have to see how it trades going into Monday. This is a pretty massive move. And we're going to be extended, so potentially a little bit of a bounce before we make another leg down, in my opinion. Anywho, that's it, guys. You want to come trade with us? You get access to all the alerts, which is the entries, exits, ads, stops on all the trades, options, and equity all day long. Go to SpartanTrading.com. You can sign up there. We do have streaming every single day from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m., so we don't just stream the morning, guys. We stream the entire day. You have various mods coming on. I'm mainly on the mic for, I think, 6 hours-ish. During the day, 6.5 hours, I guess it is. And then we have two other mods that come on typically in the middle of the day there during the lull, give you a breakdown of the macros, what they're looking at, commodities, yada, yada, all that good stuff. And then, of course, you have all the other moderators in the room talking about money flow, and there's different specialties that they have. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you guys want to come trade with us, like I said, go to SpartanTrading.com. Otherwise, there is a link in the description of this video for the free Discord. So feel free to pop in there. Have a great weekend, and I will talk to you guys next week.